Hey there, thanks for tuning into Duck Bricks. I'm Chris and welcome to LEGO Mini Reviews, the show where I review a ton of different LEGO vintage and new sets right here on the Duck Bricks YouTube channel in a short form format. So I have a ton of Bricklink orders to get through as well as just associated LEGO purchases, and I figured instead of making a mega video where I go through every single one that's hours long, why not break it up into separate mini reviews? And so in addition to our normal 3 videos a week schedule, be sure to stay tuned for a mini review dropping every single day where we do not normally have a standard video releasing. I hope you enjoy, and let's jump right into our first pick. Now these 2 sets here are some of the rarest LEGO sets in my collection. You see, before LEGO Ideas was, well, Ideas, it used to be called LEGO Cuusoo, and it was limited to only 10,000 copies only in Japan. So LEGO Ideas actually started off as LEGO Cuusoo in the region of Japan. We could not get these sets anywhere else in the world, and these were really, really special. So this is pretty interesting because these are the very first 2 LEGO Ideas sets that ever came out, and they are finally completing my collection of every single LEGO Ideas / Cuusoo set that they ever did. So first of all, here we have the Shinkai 6500 submarine. This was released in 2011. What is really cool about this order in particular is that whatever Bricklink seller I bought this from specifically included these plaques right here that are just custom made. These did not come in these sets themselves, but they actually included them as display plaques to really make these feel extra special. I am honestly really impressed that they actually added this extra attention to detail here, and now this kind of makes me want to make these plaques for all of the different idea sets because, I mean, come on, I've already got 2 of them here. These are just really well done, really make them feel like truly special, and these definitely came from a true collector. Now these sets are especially rare, starting off with this one, because they actually do have some exclusive pieces to them. First of all, here, obviously the sticker sheet is exclusive, featuring the actual name of the submarine in Japanese, as well as the stickers on the sides here. However, what makes this set really, really special is this particular piece in orange. Believe it or not, look it up. This is the only set that came with the orange tail fin. For whatever reason, LEGO never released another set with this piece in orange, making this one of the most expensive single LEGO pieces. There's a lot of copies of this set on Bricklink who've basically recreated it with replica stickers and just a different color for the tail fin. This tail fin is very important to get in orange because it is authentic to this set itself, so I figured I had to get the real deal. I actually had these shipped. I believe these actually did come from Japan. So I did get these shipped in from Japan. It took forever to get here, but I am so happy to finally own the first 2 Ideas sets. What's special about the Hayabusa satellite here is that this actually specifically came with 2 different sets of stickers. You see, whoever collected these was such a die-hard fan that they actually put on replica stickers. These are not the original stickers from the LEGO set. However, they included the brand new sticker sheet in mint condition, so they actually did not want to waste these stickers from the official set. They instead got replicas to put on the display model, and then they have these sticker sheets set aside. So that is a whole other level of dedication to collecting that honestly I probably won't ever reach. Obviously, I wasn't about to peel these off and waste the replica stickers because they work just fine, so I'm leaving them on for now. I'll probably apply the real ones once I get home and I actually have access to these particular pieces, so I don't just waste these stickers right here because I think they're pretty good replicas, but obviously the real ones are a little bit more shiny. And again, these are pretty rudimentary builds. Nothing really too special about them. What is special is their status in the history of LEGO as the very first 2 Ideas sets, which kind of spawned one of LEGO's most popular themes today. It feels so good to finally own all of the LEGO Ideas sets, and as the crown jewels of the LEGO Ideas / Cuusoo collection, they have absolutely taken their place alongside my LEGO Ideas or kind of mid-sized LEGO Ideas sets wall. Of course, some LEGO Ideas are just way too big to display there, like the recent Lighthouse, which I have all the way back there, the NASA Saturn Apollo 5, and all sorts of other sets, but right here we can appreciate some of the mid-sized LEGO Ideas sets, and of course the 2 that started it all, the Shinkai submarine right here, and the Hayabusa satellite all the way at the top there. Very nice to finally add these to my collection. They were not cheap whatsoever, but it was worth it to complete the LEGO Ideas / Cuusoo lineup. Alright, and with that, we have summed up this mini LEGO review. Thank you all so much for tuning in, and do let me know down in the comments below what do you think of this set. Do you like it? Do you dislike it? And if you own it, what have been your experiences with building and playing with the set itself? Also, let me know in the comments if you like this format of mini reviews. I'm trying to put them out on a fairly regular basis, so thank you so much for tuning in, and I'll talk to you again very soon. Like and subscribe for even more LEGO news, reviews, discussion, and analyses coming your way very, very soon.